Hello everyone, my name is Italo and on this video I would like to do one question. Which programming language is faster, Python or NodeJS? To answer this question I would like to show you two codes that I wrote here with each of these programming languages. The first code that we have here was wrote in Python, and the another code was wrote in Node.js. These codes do the same thing. They create one array of data with 1 million of records, and after all these data generated are inserted at one MongoDB database. This is basically what the code does. And we have this code in Node.js and in Python, okay? I have here also my connection to the MongoDB database, and let's start. Well, I have the code already here on one server that I have, okay? And we will start executing the Python code, okay? And I execute the code in Python, okay? Sorry about the type error. And here the code in Python is executing, okay? And now the array of data is being generated. It will take some while, some time, okay, it is normal. And when this array of data, once this array of data be done, it will be inserted at the MongoDB database that I can stay refreshing here. Look, the database was created. We have a collection named Python_docs. And the amount of record of documents is increasing here, okay? The Python is inserting the data here. And let's wait until this finish, okay? Well, the Python code has executed successfully in 3 minutes and 25 seconds, okay? This is the time taken by Python language. And now we will execute the code in Node.js. The code is in execution. It is generating the records, the array of data, okay? We can query our MongoDB database here. We can refresh. The collection of Node.js documents was created successfully. We can stay refreshing and checking the amount of documents being increased. Well, let's wait some time. Hello all. Well, the Node.js code has executed successfully, okay? And it's taken 2 minutes and 21 seconds, okay? Then we have here more than 1 minute of advantage in Node.js. Well, which are your conclusions about this test? What did you think about it? Please let me know, and if you can, like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.